how you can introduce yourselves. So first of all, you have to begin with greetings. So you can use for greetings, good morning everyone, or good afternoon to all, or good evening friends or students, or good evening everyone. So it depends when you are introducing yourselves. If in the morning, then use good morning. If in the afternoon, then use good afternoon. And if in the evening, then begin good evening to everyone, or to friends or students, or whatever the audience could be. Next, you need to tell your name. So how you can tell your name? So you can start with, my name is Rohan or Sohan or whatever your name is. Or you can begin with, I am Rohan or I am Sohan, and so on. Or you can begin with, this is Ramesh, and so on. So this way you introduce yourself with regard to your names. Then to tell your place name, you have to begin with, such as I am from Bihar, or I am from Bangalore, or I am from Mumbai, or I am from Delhi. You tell the name of a place. Or you can begin with, I belong to Delhi, or I belong to Rajasthan. So place name. Or you can say, I come from Delhi, or I come from Mumbai. Or you can also say, my native place is Kolkata, my native place is Delhi or Mumbai. So this way you can tell about your place name, from where you come from. So any one of them you can select. Then next, you need to tell something about your family. So you can begin with, apart from my parents, in family I have. Then tell how many brothers and sisters do you have. So let's say, for example, apart from my parents, in my family I have one sister and two brothers, or two sisters and no brothers if you don't have brother. Or you can say, I have an elder sister and two elder brothers, and so on. You need to tell about your qualification. So you start with, let's say you are a student, then you have to begin with, I study in class 8 or class 9 or 10 or 11 or 12, whatever it is. Or you can say, I am in class 9, or you can also say, I am in 7th or 8th standard. Or if you are a college student, you can say, I am in BA first year or second year or third year, or I am a graduate or a postgraduate. Or you can say, I am a college student. So whatever qualification you have, you can mention. You need to tell about your hobbies or hobby. So you can begin with, my hobby is like reading books, or maybe writing poem, or dancing, or listening to music, and so on. And if you have so many hobbies, then you can begin with, my hobbies are reading books, dancing, singing, listening to music, and so on. Or you can begin with, I love reading books and writing poems, or I love cooking food and eating them, or I love listening to old songs, or I love watching and playing games. So that way you can introduce your hobbies to the other people. Then next, tell about your aims or goals in life. So you can begin with, my ambition is to become a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, or whatever you want to become in future. Or you can begin with, my aim or my goal in life is to become a doctor, an engineer, or a teacher, or a doctor, whatever. Or you can begin with, I want to be a teacher, or a doctor, or a lawyer, or a scientist in future. At last, end it by saying, that's all about me. Thank you. Have a great day, or have a wonderful day, or have a beautiful day.